Sundowns return to Fortress Loftus as they play their first home game in the Betway Premiership, and the visitors are Marumo Gallants. It's a very warm welcome to you to Loftus Versfeld on what's been a beautiful day in the nation's capital. Temperatures almost touching 30 degrees. That's how warm it is. And the evening is equally beautiful here. Absolutely stunning conditions for football. Umsindisi from Amazulu Junior. Still alive here for Sundowns. It's gone right through the keeper. And it's Mamelodi who will claim it. The centre back. Oh, it's been coming. There's been total domination from Mamelodi Sundowns. And now 20 minutes into it, they make the breakthrough.
They make a breakthrough indeed. This is the stuff that we're looking for, with total dominance, with the intention.
Steals it as Kuriso Mudau dances past the marker and then does a little bit too much. He's gone down now. There's a chance there. Oh, that was audacious. And listen, that wasn't too far off.
No, it wasn't too far off, DT.
He spotted the keeper off his line there. Kuriso Mudau has stayed down. Chano Chipiri was another one who's missing. Sales also out with injury. Oh yeah, no, he got a huge chunk of him there.
Yeah, he did.
And then pull the trigger to see that it can catch Ronwen Williams slightly off his line there. Ball in here, and it could be a chance. That very nearly snuck in. Almost sneaking in on the blind side. It was. Jeez, that was a dangerous ball there.
It's always difficult ball, especially if it's played very nicely. You can see that bounce really cause Mamelodi Sundowns a problem to be able to defend.
You can be back in fairly quick, these days. They fixed them really well. I mean, Tepa's one, it did struggle to get back from his one. As a shot comes in, and it's rising all the time from Aubas, doing his best Tepa impersonation. As they slotted into that position as Aubas.
Yeah, what's encouraging about him, it's his control. It just sets him up very, very nicely there, opening his body, controlling with the left foot. Just the ball now falls in front of you. Then
he's got space to run into. What options does he have? Will he go to... What a pass! Oh, Tembas Radi flops his lines, of all people. Oh, what a ball to find him from Yaman Zopo. And of all people, you would have expected this man to give it the treatment it deserved.
Indeed, we spoke about the little different ways of Mamelodi Sundowns playing. A little bit of speed, great pass there being played by Ndlovu.
Now could be another opening. Yeah! That's beautiful. That's a beautiful finish. It's Marumo. He's done it again. Cassius Marumo. 2 in 2. That's his third goal since his rejoined Sundowns. Incredible. He can be quiet through the game, but give him the chance. Oh, what a finish.
It is such a great finisher, that is Cassius Marumo. We've been wondering as to then when will he get an opportunity in this game to be able to give that Mamelodi Sundowns a cushion. But yet again, the very person that is very instrumental in this play again, Ndlovu coming in as a sub.
My word. Chance now! Oh, the keeper manages to get something on it and paddles it out. Paddles it out for a corner. Toying with him now. Yes, Ndlovu.
Yeah, you can see the first opportunity for Leon. Good block, but look at Ndlovu. Realizing there's no space, he still buys time. Quick feet again using his left, but good cover there from Lako. But this man here, I think just to cement his position,